Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. This has been on my For You page non-stop and I really wanted to try it, and I really wanted to try it for Valentine's Day. So I'm uploading this video on Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day everybody. Hope you have a beautiful and wonderful one. This look here is inspired by this beautiful, gorgeous, amazing artist on TikTok. Her name I believe is Mei Pang, if I am spelling it right. If not, I am so sorry. I will leave her TikTok down below for you guys. Same thing to her Instagram page. She's just an amazing artist and definitely a huge inspiration for me, to be honest. She's so creative. I love her makeup looks. She's always so fun to watch and I just really look up to her, and I wanted to go ahead and recreate her viral TikTok. I believe it's called the lipstick phase or kissy face. I have no idea what it's called. I'm really sorry, but I just wanted to do it because it's been everywhere on my For You page. So before I go ahead and jump into this tutorial, if you're new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys aboard on the light family that I have here on my channel. Please fasten your seatbelt for this look because it's gonna be a bumpy ride. If you guys would like to learn how I created this look, please keep on watching. Alrighty you guys, so you guys probably know that I was going to be recreating this viral kiss face or lipstick face TikTok makeup. This is obviously an inspiration and I really wanted to give it a try. So I kind of like added my own twist. I added gems and stuff, but that's optional. If you don't want to add gems, don't go ahead and add that. But I just felt like it was missing something for my taste. So gems for me was ideal. And look, they're all like sparkling and stuff. Oh my god, I'm so excited. As you guys could see, I already have the red lipstick on. I'm just gonna add a little bit more gloss, but before I do that, let me just go ahead and tell you guys what I use. I use the Makeup Revolution lip liner from Marilyn Monroe collection. This is the Marilyn Red, followed with the lipstick that goes with it. You guys all know I've been obsessed with this lipstick lately. This is also the Marilyn Red. For gloss, I'm actually kind of using the same combo in my previous tutorial. And for the gloss, I'm using the MAC Maleficent Pro Longwear Lip Gloss. The name of this is Untitled for sure. 100% I butchered the name. So I'll just leave it in the description box down below for you guys. You can go ahead and prime your eye if you want to, but honestly, it's not really necessary. I just went ahead and concealed and powdered, and that was it. And this is something that I never thought I would use when it came to makeup, but I'm using plastic wrap or saran wrap, whatever you guys want to call it. I tried a smaller version of this because I do like microblading sessions and stuff, like treatments on clients. I tried to use this, but I found it was just way too small for my eye shape. So just work with what works best with you, I guess. I'm just taking a saran wrap, cutting a piece of it. You want to have somewhat like a decent piece. I think I added a little bit too much gloss, but it's okay. We're gonna try to work with it. And yes, I do have a contact lens on. I will be talking about that later on. So let's take the saran wrap, and all you want to do is kiss it. And it's gonna look like this. And you want to go ahead and stamp it on your face. So I'm just gonna place it here. Don't move it too much. You want to place it and you want to press it along your skin here. I think I ruined it up there. It's fine. And you want to go ahead and peel it. So I'm just gonna peel it on the other side. Ooh. Slowly, and it should look like this. How cool is that? If you want to add more lip stamps, I would highly recommend that you take a brand new saran wrap, and of course adding a little bit more gloss will help. Try to create a different style of lip. Oh, okay, I'm not sure how I'm gonna stamp this, but I feel like here. Should I do it here? I'm not sure. Or maybe down here? Okay. I think I'm gonna do it here. So I'm just gonna place it. Try to close my eye. It's okay if it gets to the eyebrow, honestly. Like, this is really festive look. And I'm gonna peel it away. That worked actually really nice. Of course, it's not gonna look like the other eye. We're not trying to make it look like the other eye. We need it to be a bit different. And I think I wanna do another one down here. Honestly, this is kind of like the easiest, but yet the most stressful process to do. This is just something that I really wanted just to do for fun, to be honest, because I've been seeing it everywhere on my For You page, and I just really needed to create it. And we will have that here. And remove it. How cute is this? Could you just tell me how cute is this? Like, honestly speaking. I did 3 kisses here. I shouldn't have done one up here too. Should I do another one up here? No, it's gonna be too much. I think I'm gonna do something here. I'm just gonna place it here. I'm gonna peel it out. That is actually super cute. I'm gonna stop right there, and we're gonna go ahead and powder all of that in. So I'm just using a translucent powder. This is from MAC. This is, yes, an old one, but still a super good one. And no, it's not expired. Rocky Horror Picture Show. This came out with a collaboration, which is no longer available, but you can still always get the translucent powder, I believe, from the MAC Pro stores. And I'll be taking it with my beauty blender here. This is from MFMA, if you guys are wondering. The best beauty sponges I've ever used on my face. I will leave the link of these in the description box down below, and you can also get 10% off by using my coupon code LBBYND, and you get 10% off. And these actually come in a pack of 3 for the price. It's so worth it. Check it out. I highly recommend them. And it's actually a wet one, and I'm just gonna go and pat this right on top, and I'll be patting this all over on the top here, on the brows and everything. You want to set it in place. Now this might turn the lipstick a little bit pinky because it's white, but it's fine. I really don't mind it. But if you don't like the pinky effect, then I would highly recommend then you use like a really translucent one. This one was the only one that I was able to find around, actually, from my Halloween makeup kit, but you can go ahead and use another translucent one if you don't want it to be too white. So I'm gonna let that sit for a few seconds, and once it's sat, just take a big fluffy brush and dust away all that powder, and everything should be in place, and the gloss should not smear around. So it looks like that. How cute is this though? I'm obsessed. I'm just gonna go ahead and darken my eyebrows a tiny bit, and I'm just using my brow tinted mascara from NYX. After that, I'm just gonna go ahead and create my wing, and I'm using my KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black, and I'm just gonna go ahead and create my wing and also extend it in the tear duct area. So I'll go ahead and fast forward this process. Before I go ahead and continue, I know for sure that I'm going to be putting my hand on my lips. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the lipstick. Perfect. So let's go ahead and finish up that wing. Alright, so the wing is on. I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara and lashes. The mascara I'm going to be using, it is the Benefit They're Real, and for lashes, you guys all know I'm using these lashes again. Please don't hate me, but I love them so much. These are the Glamlet and Michaela, and these are Code Orange. So I'll go ahead and apply both on, and I'll be back to show you guys how I did all the gems. So I'll be right back. Oh, before I go ahead and apply mascara and the lashes, let me show you guys this awesome new lash curler that came out from MFMA as well. And look at this pouch, it's so cute. You have the embroidery here of MFMA. You can't really see it that well because it's all in white, but it's a nice leather pouch, so cute. And to open it up, you just have to squeeze these here, or you can also like just go over like this. And look at this. How pretty is this? It's matte black. It's amazing, and the grip on this is just fantastic. I did use it on this eye here and I'm obsessed with it. You can always, like, I see people heating it up before like doing this. I don't really do that, to be honest. I just use it as it is, and it really grips your lashes in place and it gives you such a nice curl. Look at, I don't know, you can't see it that well, but it definitely curled my lashes, and now they're ready for the mascara. Okay, lashes on, and also the contact lenses are on. These are from Just for Cara, and I just did the review of them not too long ago. It's already on my channel. You can go ahead and check it out if you want to. These are called NASA Gray, and you can also use my coupon code LBBYND1 to get 20% off your purchase. And honestly, they're like the best contact lenses I've ever used, and these are so cool because it has stars on them. You can see them more in details in my review video. So let's go ahead and add the gems. I have these here that I used in my previous tutorial, but I ran out of the big hearts. I did run to the dollar store and got these, which is really cute. They have pink ones, red ones, and these. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my lash glue to stick them on, and I'm also using my nail gems. These are from Amazon. These are just nail gems or nail rhinestones that I found on there. I'm still in the process of storing them. If you guys don't know from my last tutorial, I dropped the whole thing on the floor and they all scattered everywhere. So I'm still in the process of kind of putting them in sizes, but your girl's going crazy over that. So I need to take a break from that because there's a lot that fell. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of like stick rhinestones everywhere, and I'm just using my rhinestone tweezer here. So there is no right or wrong way to do this. I'm just gonna add like little blobs of lash glue and just taking the gems. I'm gonna take the big heart with the tweezer. That happens a lot. I don't have time to look for it. The vacuum will find it after. And I'm just gonna stick, and I'm just gonna kind of like scatter it around. I'm gonna add one here, a small one here, and another one here. I'm also gonna add another heart here. It's perfect because I have a pimple right there that I can hide. So I'm just gonna stop it there with the hearts, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add some gems. I'm doing the same process as well. I'm gonna be sticking them kind of like wherever I feel like they go. So let's go ahead and do that. I think I kind of like effed up a little bit because I needed to kind of like put blush before add the rhinestones, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna try my best to work around it. Okay, so I did zoom out. I added the rhinestones. Obviously I didn't add as much rhinestones that I did on the other side. I have more lip stamps on this side more than this side, but honestly it's such a pretty look, and I really like the gems a lot. So it's also an option. I know she didn't do it, but I just wanted to do it to be a little bit different, but it's mainly more inspired by the amazing artist. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. I'm using the Shade Light palette from KVD Beauty, using ShadowPlay and Subconscious, mixing them both together to bring more definition to the face. For blush, I'm actually using this from Sleek. I don't know if they still have this one, to be honest. And I'm gonna be taking this color right here, which is absolutely stunning. This one here, it is the Blush by 3, and this is called Lace. And I believe the color that I'm taking is called Corset. And this is how it looks like. And I'm just gonna take it with a blush brush, and I'm just gonna kind of like pat it instead of like sweeping it, just to kind of place the color and not remove the gems. I'm also gonna bring this blush a little bit higher. I'm gonna kind of just apply this everywhere where I think I want to put it. Why not? Just be really nice and creative with it. And I'm also gonna dust some on the lip, adding some beauty marks. I'm using my MAC brow marker. I just added 3 beauty marks. I don't want to overboard the face. I'm just gonna add some moisture into the face, and I'm going to be using my Milk Hydro Grip setting spray. And of course, I will be adding highlight. I'm using my Makeup Revolution and Marilyn Monroe collection. If you guys don't know, I'm totally obsessed with this highlighter. And I'm just gonna highlight the points that I really feel like highlighting. I'm gonna put a little bit here. For lips, I'm kind of gonna go nude with it as well, like the same thing she did. So I'm adding my Makeup Revolution nude lip liner here. This is also from the Marilyn Monroe collection, and this one is from the Iconic Nude lip set. And I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips with this. And the gloss I'll be using is this one here. This is from Fenty Beauty. This is the Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. Totally obsessed with this look. Let me go ahead and fix up my hair, put a nice top on, and I'll be back to finish up the video with you guys. Alrighty, you guys, this is the finished look. I just honestly just French braided my hair and pinned it up. I'm so obsessed with this look. It's really fun, it's really festive, perfect for Valentine's Day if you just want to take it up a notch and be a little bit more artistic, a little bit more creative. As always, if you guys are curious about certain products that I used on my face, please check out the description box down below. Everything is going to be listed down there for you guys. If you have any questions or concerns, just leave them all in the comments down below, and I will try my best to answer each and one of you guys. On that note, I'm just gonna go ahead and do some TikToks with this look and have some fun with it before I go ahead and remove it. Hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. If you're single or if you're with someone, just have fun with it. It doesn't matter. It's all about love. Just celebrate love with your loved ones, and that is the most important thing ever. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.